On the day of Holi festival, 2 persons were injured on a head-on collision between 2 bikes. Incident took place at Sonatola Kalibari area of Khorang on Tuesday. The injured are Nilkanta Dev and Sujit Devnath. It is the festival of Holi starting from 25th of March, and people are enjoying it with full excitement and joy. But even on these happy days, there occurred a road accident. On the day of Holi festival, 2 persons were injured in a head-on collision between 2 bikes. Incident took place at Sonatola Kalibari area of Khorang on Tuesday. In the description of the incident, it is known that a bike was coming out on the opposite road of Sonatola Kalibari. At the time, another bike came from the other side and collided head-on with that bike. As a result, both of them were injured. The injured are Nilkanta Dev and Sujit Devnath. Later, they were brought to the district hospital by fire department personnel.
এর মধ্যে আমরা তো রাস্তা সোনাতলার সামনে গিয়ে অটোতে তারা আইসি পুরো অটোতে করে একজন আইসি আর একজন তো অটো গাড়িতে আইসি আমরা একজনকে নিয়েছি আমরা গাড়ি সত্তার নাম কি সুজিত দেবনাথ বয়স 26 আমার নাম তো সুজিত দেবনাথ।
কোন জায়গাতে হয়েছে? কোন জায়গাতে হয়েছে ঘটনা?
ঘটনা তো হয়েছে তারা সঠিক জানতে এসে না, এখন যে সোনাতলা বাজার করে এলাম সেটা রাস্তাটা
2 জন আহত হয়েছে।
2 জন আহত,
একজনরে আপনারা ফায়ার সার্ভিস আনছেন।
There was chaos-like situation in the area surrounding the incident. Reported by Biplov from Khorang, Chini Khorang.